Lovelace family here, Lovey's Fat Life. We're about 10 minutes away from the Charleston port. That's what it says on our Google Maps. We're gonna
9:47.
9:47. We wanted to leave at 9:30, so we're running a little late. So we're gonna see how long it takes. Michelle will put a timer on her phone, and we'll see how long it takes from the time we park until we get through the terminal and get on the ship. So we're using the Verify app. We're going to tell you how that worked as well. And hey, let's do this. Woo! Cruise day, woo!
Y'all see what I see over to the left?
So Google Maps tries to get you to go another way, but there's blue signs up here saying take a right and then immediate left. So we're following the cruise signs. And what is that? Carnival sunshine! Woo! All right, so we're going to tell you how long it takes you once you get in here. There's supposed to be a drop-off point, and then that's where you drop your luggage off, and then you park. So we'll see how long it takes once we pull in here. Thank you. Yes, sir. All right, you got the timer started?
Yep.
All right, so we're driving around, following the blue car from Kentucky. You know how those Kentucky people are. I hope they're right. Yep, it's definitely a maze. Carnival sunshine's right there. That's our home away from home for a week. They got it looping around some traffic.
We're early, thank goodness. But we have been here later, and all of this backed up. We have seen it.
So this first part is cruise parking, $21 a day.
So it is not for the faint of heart, my goodness.
You have to use a debit card. Good morning, ma'am.
Any need for handicap parking?
No.
Well, I need it, but I don't have one. Thank you. Thank you. All right, so that was really quick and easy. And what are we doing here?
We are following directions from the men that are in front of us. We're getting ready to drop off our package, or our luggage. Up. And we're gonna load our stuff into these carts.
All right, so you drop your luggage off right here. And I'm doing it myself. All right. All right.
Yes,
Thank you, brother.
Thank you.
Appreciate it, man. Thank you. And that's it. Took 30 seconds. All right, where we go now?
Follow the left parking signs.
All right, signs say cruise parking. Let's do it. And now we're gonna make a left. We do things a little different down here in North Carolina, South Carolina. It's all right. Still gets done. Thank you. All right, we had a 10 to 10:30 boarding time. We got there got there early, got checked in right during our normal time, but they parked us the furthest away that you could be. We were on the very first parking spot next to the fence, so getting later may be even better. There's the Carnival sunshine. There's an empty trolley that never picked us up. There's the check-in building, 324. That's where you check in the cruise terminal, or the first part anyway. It's a little different here than most cruise terminals, but let's do this. Let's do this. All right, after the first checkpoint location, this is a small walk up a ramp into another holding room. It took about a minute with Verifly. All right, now we're in the second section. Not sure what this is for, but we'll find out. This is Carnival Sunshine Charleston. All right, Michelle, what do you think? You're glistening.
Yes, I'm hot.
So,
It's a hustle.
yeah, you have to check in 2 different areas, which is different, definitely different. Now we're just holding our boarding passes to be able to get on the ship. Anthony, what do you think?
It's good.
Just a lot of walking, ain't it? A lot of walking here. So this is the second check-in point. Now we're waiting to be called by our zone number to get on buses to go to the Sunshine. So, but Verifly, what's your thoughts on Verifly, Michelle?
Yeah, I think it was quick.
Verifly was very quick. You still had to show your boarding pass and your passport. So,
But nothing else.
but it took what, a minute?
Yeah, that was very
Less than a minute. It was very short. So that's pretty cool. Let's see how this next part goes.
In the waiting area, we are out of shuttle buses to the boarding terminal, so please take a seat in the waiting area. We'll resume our boarding as soon as we get more shuttle.
All right, so these are pretty nice buses. They're air conditioned, so this ain't too bad. All right, this is the last section I think you have to go through to get through. Just got off the bus. Let's see how long this takes. All right, we're getting ready to go on the Sunshine. Look at this. Y'all ready? You excited? You excited? Carnival Sunshine, here we go. All right, here we go. Woo! We are on the ship. There's muster station 1. Here we go. Let's see. First impressions of Carnival Sunshine. One hour and 5 minutes. That's how long it took to get on. So there's Tom Brendan. So first impressions coming on the ship were just, man, it was so beautiful. I love the sculpture of the Sunshine, sculpture of the main lobby. It's kind of a small atrium bar area when you first came in, especially when you have a lot of guests. But it's very beautiful. I love the silver balls and then also the sun with the rays coming out. I think it looks great. Our first drinks were a virgin pina colada, a Twilight Zone, and a Long Island iced tea. All right, Carnival Sunshine muster station C. This is deck. I think it's deck. Is it deck 5 or 4, Michelle? I think it's deck 4, muster station C. Got boarding passes. Thank you. All right, so the new muster drill is very easy. We found our location. You'll see that on your boarding pass. We went there, they scanned our boarding pass, then checked all three of us in, and then we watched a lady put the actual life vest on, and that's it. And then if you have a child on the ship, this is where they'll get their green, and you see the gentleman right here holding it, putting it on my son. But the green bracelet they put on the children, this is where you get that as well. So very simple, very easy, and for the whole time I'm talking here, it probably took about 45 seconds. Very, very short and sweet. All right, so we did the muster station. Now we're heading to the Lido deck. So we're going to deck 9 on the Sunshine. This is embarkation day. And look at the big TV. All right, so we've already went through the process of how to get into the parking lot, going through the whole process of getting on the ship for embarkation. Our favorite place to go to is to eat at Blue Iguanas or Guys right off the bat. So we go to the Lido deck, we check it out. The Sunshine has a beautiful Lido deck. The pool's a little bit small, but the big screen TV is something my son enjoys. So we go get something to eat. Then we go up to deck 10, which is the waterworks area on the aft of the ship, and we sit down there and kind of they had some cool umbrellas there, and you can kind of look out over the bay and harbor area. But you can see Fort Sumter here coming up, and then you also see how huge this waterworks area. There'll be a separate video for that as well. That thing is 6 stories high for the slide. You cannot check into your rooms till 1:30. So here we are getting back to our room. That's where your sign and sell cards will be. And then I'm going to show you real quick. We had the extended aft balcony room on the Sunshine. So this is walking out on the deck. There'll be another video with a full tour of that room. But this is what you pay for, for an aft balcony view, which is an awesome scene in the wake of the ship when you're out sailing. Here again is Charleston area of the city. Over here to the left you can see is the parking area we parked in, and then there's some old warehouses here. But yeah, thank you guys for checking out this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Lovey's Fat Life. We love cruising, we love traveling, we love eating as you'll see throughout the video series, and we love going to the Smoky Mountains. So please like and subscribe to our channel. We got a ton of Carnival Sunshine vlogs coming out over this trip of Half Moon Key, Nassau, the Margaritaville Resort, and the actual ship itself. You guys have a blessed day. Thank you guys again. Please like and subscribe.